Hello, friends. God bless you and welcome. We made it. This is week 16. I'm in my pantry, cleaning my way to a better me. God bless you. And I just wanted to take time in this week of 16 weeks of cleaning. Guys, I am so grateful. I'm so glad it's finished. But I just want to thank all of my co-hosts and friends for watching and those that took time to jump into this collab. I just want to thank everyone that jumped in, and I appreciate it. You are so patient. I am going to still do some more cleaning challenges, but it will not be as long as this one. But I just wanted to take time to tell everyone thank you, and truly I appreciate it from the top to the bottom to the center of my heart. God bless y'all. And guys, I just hope y'all get something out of this. I saved the pantry for the last because there were some things I had to do repairing in my pantry, and that's why I saved it for last. But I just want to tell everyone thank you. I appreciate you. God bless you. And I will still be continue doing some cleaning. Try to do it once a week on this channel if the Lord says the same. But guys, I've learned a lot with this. One thing I've learned, not to make this thing too long again, but it allowed us to get into our home, into those areas. And this is what we're working on, guys, being motivated to get in our home and hit those areas that we normally would not hit. So I just thank everyone once again. Yes, friends, this is my sad looking pantry. I had to pull the shelves out so I can get it recut. So I'm just showing you a before picture. It takes some time to put this together and resort through this, but it was well worth it. Friends, the reason I'm showing you this because in this pantry, these are shelves that we cut to put in this to make a pantry, and they were cut too short. I think I had about 5 inches space that was wasted. So that's why I said it had to be some preparation before I can get this pantry together. Friends, this is my recut shelf, and I have some shelf liners that I'm going to use on this. I just don't want the painting look. I wanted some shelf liners on these, and actually it came out pretty good. Now, friends, usually with shelf paper, I have a problem with it, but this one worked perfectly. I covered the top and the bottom, and I end up putting some hot glue on the end to seal it, and it's just like putting up wallpaper. So I love it. Tell me what y'all think about this. Now here I kept my mason jars. I replaced the labels, and I use my circuit machine to make the lettering. And if you have a circuit machine or Cricut, it's under the kitchen counter jars. And I just love that font, so I just want to share that with you. Now here on my third shelf, I am going to keep my canned goods. I ordered a canned goods organizer, and this is so perfect. And it helps me to know exactly what I need. I know a lot of times we're doing pepper pantry and storing up, but sometimes I just have so much stuff with the same thing, so I got to keep up with what I have. On my top shelf, I'm going to keep my sugar, a lot of the flour and rice, the heavy items up top. Friends, I just love these sealed containers, and I'm going to label these later on. But I got these from Walmart, and I bought the tall ones for $10, I believe. And you come out so much cheaper going to Amazon and buying a set of these. But I just love those tall, clear containers. keep some of my olive oil and some of my tall things like the apple cider vinegar that won't fit in my cabinets. I'll keep those up here. So friends, I already had these containers. I just never use them. They are pantry containers from Walmart. And I'm going to refill and add some more things in my mason jars and do the labeling to the rest of them later on. But I got this Italian dressing, and I want to share a recipe with you. If you like baked chicken and sometimes you can't get that season, wash and season your chicken and pour Italian dressing over your chicken, and that's it, guys. You will love it. I hope y'all try that recipe. It is real good. So I just get the $1.25 version or the cheap version. You don't need nothing expensive. So I hope this coming out good, guys. So you see under my shelves, that's why I cover that top one, because underneath you will be able to see the board. And I did not want the paint look. I want the whole thing covered so it'll look more neater and florist. So I also took some cleaner and I cleaned down the walls. This is some of my overflow here, and I just use them in the containers. And I also want to share this with you guys. If you love brownies and you're on a low carb keto diet, this is a sugar-free, keto-friendly brownie mix I got from Big Lots, and I have a video coming up soon of keto-friendly things that we find in our store. And sometimes we see it and sometimes we don't, and sometimes we can overlook it. And if you look onto the right, I have a lot of fruit cocktails and fruits and stuff. And that's because the church down the street gives away food. And they love giving you a lot of fruit cocktails and things like that. So thank God that they are canned goods. So I have a lot of things here. And after a while, I'm just trying to go through this and see what I have. And so I can, eat up my stuff and not keeping things and they're wasting. And friends, if you have a small pantry and you need more space, you can use a shoe rack holder. This will definitely help you, and even in your bathroom closet. So I hope that tip helps everyone. And friends, I just keep a lot of overflow here. It's nothing, that I have a lot of. I have my noodles and different things I just grab from time to time. Whatever you use it for is up to you. Now, they do sell over-the-door storage for bathrooms and pantries, but they can be from $23 to $30. It depends, and I may get a better one later on, but for right now, this will work. Friends, once again, this is my before and this is my after. So tell me what you think. Each time you get a little better and better and a little better. So I thank God for everyone, my two co-hosts, Miss Melissa and Anna. The links will be in my description box. And everyone that collabed with me and came on, I will put their links in my description box. Thank you, Miss Sandra, Courtney, and Mary. I pray y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all on the next challenge. Bye-bye from Penny.